Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. We'll be taking multiplication of directed variables. Multiplication of directed variables. Now the rule says this is done using the rules of multiplication of directed numbers. So the same thing. And what are the rules when multiplying directed numbers? Plus times plus equals to plus, minus times minus equals to plus times minus equals to minus, and minus times plus equals to plus. So in summary, when same sign multiplies, our result will carry a positive sign, and when different sign multiplies, our result will carry a negative sign. So let's see, simplify 8 times 3y. So like I said in our previous video, that same signs or different sign or sorry, unlike terms can multiply, but they cannot add. So what we have here is 8 times 3y. Normally 8 and 3y, 8 and 3y, they are not like terms. This one is just a number, this one carries a variable, so they are not like terms. So they can't add. If you are to add, this is your final answer. You can't do anything again here. But if you are to multiply, you can multiply. So we are in the multiplication phase right now. So let's see what we have. 8 times 3 equal 8 times 3y. The numbers will multiply. 8 times 3, that will give us 24, and then y. So 24y. We move to number 2, solution. This will give us minus 7y times 6. This will be equals to, now 6 carries plus, so minus times plus, that will give us minus 7y times 6, that will give us 42y. Okay, and then number 3, solution. What do we have? 8x times 7x. If we are to multiply, now 8x and 7x, they are like terms. So let's see, 8 times 7, that will give us 56. And then x times x, because we talked about this in when we're doing indices. X times x is what? X squared. Please, x times x is not just x. X times x is x squared. But if we were to add this, 8x plus 7x, this will be equal to 8 plus 7. This will give us, because they are like terms, so we can add them. They contain variable x. So this will give us 15x, just one x, 15x. But if we are multiplying 8 times 7, 56, and then x times x will give us x squared. Okay, so let's wipe this off. And we move to number 4, solution. What do we have? 14x times 2y. 14x times 2y. What would this give us? Now 14 times 2. 14 times 2 will be what? 28. 28. And then x times y, that will give us xy. xy. Remember, unlike terms can multiply. And then solution. Number 5, what do we have here? 12y times y. Of course, this times y is like saying 1y. So 12 times 1 is 12. And then y times y is y squared. Take note of that. And that brings us to the end of multiplication of directed variables. Yeah. So we'll go to the activity. Please carefully copy out, pause this video, copy out the activities, and then you do them carefully. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to like, do well to subscribe, and also share this amazing content to others. See you in our next class.